Mousey loses his voice. Mousey loves to wish everyone good morning, but today he cannot remember how to speak. He goes to Poppy the pig. Poppy wishes him oink oink, but Mousey doesn't reply. He can't remember how to speak. He meets Hannah the hen. Hannah wishes him cluck cluck, but Mousey knows that he doesn't say cluck cluck. He goes to Harry the horse. Harry greets him, neigh, but Mousey knows that he can't speak that loud. He meets Denny the dog. Denny licks his face and barks, woof woof. Mousey smiles at him. He meets Gary the goat. Gary bleats, bah, bah. Mousey knows that's not how he speaks. He meets the duck and the cat. The duck greets him, quack, quack. The cat purrs at him, meow. The cow greets him with a moo. Mousey is really angry now, but he can't express his anger. He meets his friend Mary the mouse. She greets him, squeak. Yes, yes, that's it. Mousey replies with excitement, squeak, squeak. So, Mousey and Mary the mouse wish everyone a good morning. Squeak, squeak, squeak.